Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for July 4th, 2017. Happy Independence Day, everyone. We have a pretty nice day sitting up across the entire region. The only exception is going to be right along the Pennsylvania-New Jersey border, Pennsylvania-Maryland border later today, where some scattered showers and thunderstorms are going to be possible. But most of the area will be dry, and we're going to have this front that came through the northern areas yesterday, sinking off to the south. And right along that boundary is where we expect there could be, at least in the western portions of it, there could be, in south central PA, there could be a few isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms moving through. Much like we saw yesterday, we saw the front further north yesterday, and then we're getting that across northeastern Pennsylvania that dipped down into east central PA, and that was a very isolated area. I don't expect this to be a widespread thing today either. Moving into the afternoon, you can see that extends anywhere along that border between Pennsylvania and Maryland, maybe all the way over to Philadelphia, although the NAM doesn't really have it going that far. Let's go over the NAM high-res future simulated radar. Let's start this off at 4 p.m. Okay, now this is some initiation down here out by Franklin County, or just the west of it, and just south of Altoona at this point. And as you move forward here, you see this moving just in the evening hours, moving right along the border here, northern Maryland and southern Pennsylvania, so places like Adams County, Franklin, York County, Lancaster, maybe Chester. Then the precipitation kind of falls apart after this point. Here is a look at 8 p.m. and then it skips to 11. There's nothing. So you might have this get over to Philadelphia. You'll have to watch that closely. If it does so, it would be about 9, 10 o'clock. So most of the day, again, is going to be rain-free. Just right along the southern border of Pennsylvania and northern Maryland is where we're looking for the potential for some scattered thunderstorms later today. But otherwise, we are looking at a dry day elsewhere across the region. Going into the nighttime, this is association with this area low pressure moving away, so this is not going to be affecting us whatsoever. We expect a mostly sunny day, partly to mostly sunny, we'll call it here on Wednesday. Temperatures are going to be pretty much the same as they were on Tuesday, which are going to be right on spot on with what is precisely spot on with what is considered average for this time of year. It won't be incredibly hot, and it won't be, it won't be cooler than average either. We're expecting the normal highs to be reached today, and normal lows tonight to be spot on also. So it's going to be as typical of a July 4th as you can possibly get in terms of speaking of anomalous averages. Going forward to Thursday now, we will have a system that's going to be moving off to our west. Is going to drag a warm front. The stalled boundary that is going to be actually our cold front that's moving through the rest of today is going to be moving off over to down to south of Virginia. It's actually going to be moving back northward as a warm front on Thursday, but it won't quite get here, I don't think, during the day, but it will get here in the overnight hours and bring us some showers and perhaps a thunderstorm overnight. Could have low pressure moving along this, enhancing the rainfall too. We'll have to watch and see if that occurs. This is going to be late Thursday night, early Friday morning if that does happen. And then that system moves away. There's just a Friday morning deal with the leftover showers and perhaps a thunderstorm. And then we get clearing in the afternoon, so Friday will not be a wash either. We're going to have a front coming in right behind it. Could touch off as you get in the overnight hours on Saturday night, could touch off a shower or a thunderstorm. But otherwise, Saturday and Sunday are both rain-free days. Looking at a nice day here Saturday, and same thing here on Sunday. Actually, Sunday is going to be a mostly sunny day, but it will be cooler over the weekend. Temperatures are going to go back to maybe even slightly below normal by a degree or two. Not much, but it's slightly below nonetheless. I mean, normal highs generally are 83 to 87 across the region right now. So if your highs are going to be about 80, 82, you're still slightly below, but it's still not cool by any means. And that'll be what we're expecting, especially by Sunday. I think Sunday's the coolest day. Once we get to Monday, we're going to have this turn around again as winds are going to start shifting to the south, and that's because high pressure is moving in a different position, and so winds will start coming in like this, and you have a warm-up coming in for Monday and Tuesday. Might even hit 90 in some places on Tuesday. We'll have to wait and see how that works out, but of course that's getting far ahead now. We're talking about a week ahead, but I do have an opportunity for warming up again after being near to slightly below normal for temperatures Sunday or Saturday and Sunday for this weekend. But it will be nice, it looks like right now, looking out to next weekend if you're planning ahead. I'm Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for July 4th, 2017. Have a great Tuesday and happy Independence Day, everyone.